In this video, I want to go over some of the things that I'm looking for when I'm checking out delta on both the NQ and the ES. This is an NQ 1 minute chart. I've got the delta for the NQ on top, and I've got the delta for the 1 minute ES right below it. So I can monitor the delta for both instruments right on the NQ chart. And then these candles are being painted red or green when both instruments are in alignment. This is the first 1 minute candle of the New York Open today. Very strong negative delta on the NQ, decent on the ES. Had a nice big top wick, big full body close to the downside. After the close of this candle, we popped down over 30 points. And then as we're coming down here, check out the delta on the NQ. Actually went positive. You can see we got a nice bounce off of pre-market center. This blue dotted line, this is pre-market center. This is part of the MMT key levels indicator. Bounced up about 20 points there. So if I am looking to take bounce trades at key levels, I'm definitely looking for things like this. So if we've been coming down and I'm looking to take a bounce trade long, I want to see delta at least slowing down, or going positive is even better. On the next candle, the positive delta is kind of drying up, only an 82. So the positive delta is dwindling on the NQ. We get another bounce up off of the pre-market center, and then the 20 SMA holds this white dashed line. This is the 20 SMA. We get some more negative delta coming in. We get a nice push down to London Open. London Open holds. This is also part of the key levels indicator. Here we've got the flow stack going bullish. We got the green candles because the delta is positive on both the NQ and the ES. We've also got point of control down in the bottom of the wick. When I've got point of control drug down into a bottom wick, I'm favoring longs. If point of control is drug up into a bigger top wick, I'm favoring shorts. We've got a nice big push to the upside here, very full body candle to the upside. Some decently strong delta on the NQ there. We got a bigger push on the ES down here as well. Popped up another 35 points there. But as we're popping up, check out all the negative delta coming in on the ES. Pretty strong there on the ES, negative 814. Then we got point of control up into the wick, get a little drop off. We go bearish on the flow stack here. The negative delta on the NQ is decent. But check out this candle. We've got a big bottom wick, point of control down into the wick a little bit, wicking right off of the 250 SMA. We try to push up again. We make it to this 4-hour 50% level to the tick. This gold line, this is from the MMT 50/50, a 4-hour 50% level. We get some more negative delta coming in on both instruments. Pretty strong on the ES and a decent top wick here. Then the negative delta really starts to pour in on both instruments. After the close of this candle, we pop down another 30 points. The London Open level holds again, this purple dotted line here. We pull all the way back up to the 20 SMA. Check out the top wicks forming on these three candles. Got point of control up into all three wicks. And then the drop off continues. Here the flow stack goes bullish, pretty strong on the ES. After the close, we get a move to the upside over 25 points. We get a hold up at this 50% level on the 1-hour time frame, this orange dash line from the MMT 50/50. Couple of top wicks here, some negative delta coming in. After the close, nice drop off. We got point of control down in the wick here. Flow stack goes bullish, although the delta is not really much to speak of, but we do get a little pop up there. Get held up at this 50% level once again. We got point of control up into the wick here. Get a little move down. We got point of control in the bottom wick. We try popping back up. This 250 SMA got honored many times today. Here's another nice top wick with some decent negative delta coming in on the ES. Get a little push lower. Some decent negative delta on both instruments here. After the close, we pop down over 15 points, but we get rejected at whole number here, just like we did back here. I consider whole number to be a key level. We got point of control down into these wicks. Then this candle, very full body candle to the upside, hardly any wicks. Strong delta on the NQ, decent on the ES. Great trade opportunity right there. After the close, pop up over 30 points to one of my favorite key levels, the 15-minute center, this orange dotted line here. This is also from the key levels indicator. I caught the rejection trade short here off the 15-minute center. We have point of control up into this top wick. Then check it out, negative delta across the board. Flow stack goes bearish, we get the red candles. Point of control up in the wick of this candle as well. We get a nice little sell-off. Then we got point of control in all 3 bottom wicks here. Get a nice rejection off of the VWAP area. So those are some of the very basic things that I'm looking for when I'm trading with Delta, and order flow and various key levels and areas of support and resistance. Just having a very simple setup like this and monitoring a few different time frames can give you a lot of insight as to what's going on in the markets on a daily basis. If you want to learn more about the ways that I'm navigating the daily markets, I've got a copious amount of live trade videos on the channel where I go over each and every trade that I take during the day. There are links to all of the MMT indicators in the description. Anyone that's out there using code MonkeyMan at Lucid, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, thanks so much for your support. I wish you best of luck in your trading. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.